it's Debbie with Kip's Corner. Welcome back and thanks for joining me. This is the 5K giveaway drawing. I'm so excited. I'm going to draw two names. The first name I draw will win this journal. The flip through of this journal is in the 5K video. And then the second name I draw will win the OWL mixed media piece. And I described that a little bit in that video as well. You will see my email address on the screen, somewhere right around in here. So for the two names that I draw, if you could contact me via email, we will get your shipping address and get you squared away. You have until January 3rd to send me that email. If I do not hear back from either or both of the winners that I picked today by January 3rd, then I will come back on the 4th and redraw. Hopefully we won't have to do that, but yeah, that's the plan. All right, I'm putting in my URL to the giveaway video, and so I'm going to fetch. I'm not going to include my replies, and I'm going to hit continue. So let's pick a winner. Shenandoah Papercraft, you have won the journal. So let me write that down real quick. Journal. If you will contact me through email. This is a long Papercraft. Contact me via email. Let me know what your YouTube name is so that I can make sure that I'm getting the right person. You have won the journal. Okay, so next we're going to pick another winner. And Penny Kitzmiller, E4M. And Penny is a new subscriber. She says, hello, my name is Penny and I'm a new subscriber. She found me through Sacred Mementos, Patty Lang's channel. And she said, these two are lovely works of art. Amazing creations. I'm so thankful to have found you. Thank you. I'm so glad you found me too. I will definitely be watching your past and future videos. Okay, Penny, you have won the mixed media piece. So Penny and Shenandoah Papercraft, if you could both contact me via email before January 3rd, we will get your information and get you squared away, and congratulations. Thank you all so much, and thank you to everyone who took the time to comment and continue to support my channel. You are greatly appreciated, and I can't say thank you enough. So I will be back. Bye-bye.